Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in today's video, we have an interesting project here. It's called Bruno X. Now they've been around since October 2022, and so well over a year. And they essentially have two different aspects to their project. Okay, primarily they are an exchange, a crypto exchange, Swift and Endless crypto exchanges, over 600,000 exchange pairs to choose from, non-custodial exchange, buy, sell crypto through credit, debit cards. You can buy and sell crypto, and you can also exchange through here as well. Okay, now the other aspect to it, which we're going to cover in this video, is they do have an investment section, which we'll touch on in just a second. But before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi, because it is the risk stuff in the world. With that said, let's jump into it. So they've been around since October 22. 30,000 successful swaps, 2,500 users, and over 600,000 exchange pairs. So fast cryptocurrency exchange, 99.5% success rate, 5-minute average exchange time, no additional fees, and track your transaction status live. So here's the steps to the exchange. So you choose your exchange pair, you make a deposit, and you obtain your swapped crypto. Okay, so here's how it works. You fill in exchange details, choose exchange pair from the available list. There are over 600,000 pairs. You will definitely find one that you're looking for. Make a deposit. So you verify all exchange details, get an estimated transaction time, and send your funds to our one-time deposit address. And voila. Enjoy the Bruno X magic. We guarantee the best possible exchange rate. Swap your crypto assets and send them back to you in a matter of minutes. And they do have a tutorial here, which you can look at. Okay, so through Bruno X, you'll have access to decentralized liquidity of Uniswap and PancakeSwap, exchange of DEX exclusive assets across blockchains, reduced network fees, and fewer on-chain transactions, and the not custodial platform here as well. So here's the best way to buy crypto with fiat, and they have a newsletter, and they got a bunch of different stuff going on. So the other thing that they do have is they have an investment section. So if we take a look at this, the website just takes a tiny bit to load here. So earn up to 151% APY by investing as low as 10 USDs. It's stable profits regardless of volatility of the market, no KYC, and internal P2P transfer. Choose your preferred investment plan and start earning. Now you can opt out. You can opt to invest in quarterly, half yearly, or yearly and earn passive income on your cryptocurrency. So they have a few different plans, right? They have monthly plans here. So they have a 3-month plan, 6 months, and 1 year. So in the 3-month plan, you get 1.25% monthly profit with a minimum deposit of $10. When you get your 1.25% monthly with your capital at the end of the time, you get 103%. You got the premium plan, which is 2.5% monthly for 6 months, and you have 5% monthly for 1 year. And they also have daily plans. So you got 1.25% daily profit for 90 days. So you're going to get 112.5% here. Total return in 90 days, so you're going to make 12.5% in 3 months. This one, you have 180 days. At the end of that, you're going to make 135%, which is a minimum of $500. You have 0.55% for a year, which again, this is paid daily, and you get pretty much double. And then you also have 6 months here for 0.42%. At the end of the term, you will receive 175.6. You can calculate your investments there. So protecting investors' interest, cryptocurrency is the most profitable segment of the world of financial investments. Therefore, investors receive stable profits by investing in our accumulated trading resource pool. Our priority and focus is on long-term corporations. We are focused on the success of all of our partners and investors. Professional analysts monitor the global market, assess risks, make forecasts and strategies, paving way to calculated and diversified investments in commodities, cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, and premium real estate to yield highest income in the shortest span of time to ensure that our customer obligations are fulfilled and they are satisfied with the result. We offer to invest in cryptocurrency with the least possible risk in order to get the maximum profit. Modern technologies and the best analytical minds are used in the company, and we value each member of our team and vouch for their contributions to deliver on our promises. So they have both a swap side and an investment side, right? So to take a look at the swaps, if we go back to the homepage, you need to, let's say you want to swap, and again, they have so many different crypto pairs to swap from. It's crazy. So let's say you want to swap BUSD on BSC for USDT on Arbitrum, for example, right? And let's say you want to do like, I don't know, $50 worth, for example, you're going to receive 48. So this is a nice little bridge here. Fixed rate mode, if mode on the exchange is completed regardless of the rate fluctuations, we guarantee the amount. So you can go ahead and exchange 50 BUSD for 50 USDT on Arbitrum, and you have to enter your payout address. So let's go ahead and do this, right? Let's go ahead and swap this, and I'll show you this live. So it's going to take about 10 minutes for this to arrive here, and you put your wallet in, exchange rate, and then you click exchange, and then it wants me to send the BUSD to this address. So we're going to copy that. We're going to open up, actually, let's do a manual copy here. And then we're going to open up MetaMask, and we're going to find our BUSD, and then we are going to send to this address right here, OX79AD8, OX79AD8, yep, and we're going to send 50 BUSD. Let's go ahead and send this, and we're going to confirm this swap. So this is going to send over to this wallet. It's going to confirm it, and then it's going to exchange, and then we'll get this sent to us on Arbitrum on the other side. So, yep, let's just wait a few minutes and wait for this to come through, and I'll be back with a confirmed swap. Okay, so the wallet has received my BUSD, and it has confirmed. Now it's exchanging it to Arbitrum, and then it will be sent to my wallet. So, yep, let's give this a few more minutes, and I'll be back when it has actually confirmed and swapped. Okay, so the swap has completed. As you can see, success. Your exchange took 4 minutes. Thank you for using our platform. And you can see we sent the BUSD, and then we received our USDT on ARB. There's a tiny fee, conversion fee, but that's just how it goes, right? So there you go. We are done. So yeah, we want to get rid of that. So that's pretty simple, right? Pretty cool little bridge there. Now the other side is the investment. So if first of all, you have to create an account, which I'll leave a link in the description, and then obviously log into the account. You'll be brought to a backend dashboard like this, and then you can go ahead and take a look at the plans. So if you click on our plans, then it will bring up the plans again for all the different daily plans, right? So you got the daily plan here, making 12.6% profit in 90 days, 0.14% per day, up to 0.46% per day for 6 months on the daily plans. But then you have the monthly plans from 1.25% per month up to 5% per month. Now, the good thing about this is these guys have been paying out for way over a year. Since October 22, they've had the investments as well. So they've been paying out for way over a year on this. If you put into the yearly plan, you would have got your 160% by now. You would have got your 102% on the daily plan by now, and you could have started a new cycle. So just for the sake of the video, I am going to do the daily plan here and do an investment in this one. I am going to put some more money into one of these higher plans, these higher daily plans, but I don't have enough BUSD to do that right now, so I need to bridge over some more funds. But if we go over to, we need to go ahead and make a deposit into the account. So you can pay using USDT, BEP20, Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, USDC, XRP, Matic, and Polygon. So let's go ahead and click deposit. And we're going to go ahead and do BUSD. Is there no BUSD option? I don't think there was there? Okay, so we need to go ahead and do a swap here. So USDT. Okay, so we need to go swap some USDT on the Binance Smart Chain or USDC. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I've just gone on to PancakeSwap and done a quick swap for some USDT quickly. I'm just going to do 10 for the sake of the video. I'm going to click continue to deposit and then confirm and pay. And let's wait for this. Payment info, the Tether wallet will be available once you proceed. So let's click confirm and pay here. And Tether BSC chain address, and we're going to copy this. And we're going to come up over here. And we're going to find our USDT. We're going to click send. And then we're going to do the max, which is 10. OX85 355. OX85 355. Yeah, next. And we're going to go ahead and send this. So that's gone ahead and sent. So let's wait to see when this comes through onto the account, and I'll go ahead and put it in the plan, and let's click pay Tether. So if you already paid, please provide us your payment reference to speed up the transaction. So enter your reference ID /hash. So let's go ahead and copy the transaction ID there and paste that in here and confirm payment. Okay. So confirm payment, waiting here, and deposit successful. The amount will be accredited into your account upon admin confirmation. So let's give this a few minutes, and yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, so it's in the account now. It looks like you get a little bonus for adding, bonus for first deposit. You get a bonus for your first deposit. So that was probably a rookie mistake on my part, only doing $10 for the first deposit, but it is what it is. So then you want to come to our plans, okay? And it only took like maybe 5 minutes for it to go through, maybe if that. And then we're going to click invest now just on this $10 plan, because that's all I have put in the account for the purpose of the video. And we're going to do $11 because that's what we have in here. And then we're going to click continue to invest. 90 days, daily profit 0.14%, and confirm and proceed. And then there we have it. We have now put this $11 into the investment plan, which I'm going to go ahead off camera when the video ends, when I bridge some more funds over and do a couple $1,000s more. And I will go ahead and continue to do updates on this to see how it goes. But yeah, these guys have been around for literally way over a year now. A year and 3 months. And they've been paying out since then, which is pretty cool. Still around. People are doing active transactions on here, and it's going pretty well. So if we go over to the FAQ as well, we can read over some more information about the products. You can go over to investments. How many times can you use and make a deposit? What are the payment methods? I'm new to cryptocurrency. What's the minimum deposit withdrawal amount? How long does the deposit to take? When will I receive it? Can I withdraw, reinvest my principal capital? What is the available investment plans? Are there any fees? There are no fees for deposits, but withdrawals are subject to a minimum of $5 or 5% management fee to withdraw. How long does it take for a withdrawal to process? All withdrawals requests received until Thursday will be processed on Friday to streamline operations. Can I withdraw my principal investment after the end of the plan? Yes is the answer to that, and a bunch of other stuff, right? And then you can go over to the general, which is the swap page, right? So there you go, guys. That is it for the video. I will leave a link down below in the description if you want to take a deeper look into brunox.com. But yeah, if you haven't already looked at it, or you have, let me know what you think down below. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be it for the video. Are you in BrunoX, and how long have you been in there? Let me know as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want to, and turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.